Welcome to Mama Ondo TV. Today, we explore one of the respected royal thrones in Oyo State. The Alaafin of Topa, the traditional ruler of Topa land. A king whose throne carries history, culture, and strong ancestral pride. Join us as we uncover the story of the Alaafin, his people, and the cultural heritage he protects. The Alaafin of Topa is the supreme traditional ruler of Topa, a culturally rich community located in Oyo State. His throne is a symbol of unity, identity, and the ancient history of the Topa people. Topa is known for its strong rural heritage, hunting culture, agriculture, and deep respect for tradition. The Alaafin serves as the custodian of these legacies. The Okere of Saki is the supreme traditional ruler and spiritual leader of Saki land. His throne is one of the major royal institutions in Oyo State, deeply respected for its ancient roots and cultural influence. For centuries, the Okere has served as custodian of Saki's warrior heritage, defender of cultural identity, leader of communal development, symbol of unity among the people. The Okere's presence reflects the strength, courage, and resilience of Saki's founding ancestors. Section 2, The History of Saki Land. 220 to 430. Old monuments, local settlements, hills, ancient trees. Narrator. Saki is one of the oldest Yoruba towns, strategically located near the historic Oyo routes. During the era of the Oyo Empire, Saki served as a military base, a warrior settlement, a refuge during battles, a link between Old Oyo and northern trade routes. Its location made it a strong warrior fortress. The early settlers were known for their bravery and skill in warfare, leading to the rise of a powerful community ruled by the Okere. The throne became central to leadership, protection, and spiritual authority in the town. Saki is one of the strongest agricultural towns in Oyo State. It produces yam, maize, cassava, vegetables, and livestock in large quantities. The Soun of Ogbomoso. Ogbomoso is a city built on bravery. A city shaped by warriors, hunters, and legendary defenders. And at the center of this great heritage stands the Soun, the cultural father and royal guardian of the Ogbomoso people. Join us as we uncover the history, power, and influence of this ancient throne. The Soun of Ogbomoso is the supreme traditional ruler of Ogbomoso land. His throne represents centuries of leadership, unity, and cultural authority. Ogbomoso is known as a warrior town. Its people are famous for courage, intelligence, and strategic warfare in ancient Yoruba history. The Soun stands as the symbol of this bravery, a protector of tradition and identity. Ogbomoso was founded in the mid-17th century by a brave hunter named Soun Ogbomoso. A courageous warrior, Ogbomoso settled in a thick forest area that later developed into the town we know today. The name Ogbomoso came from the phrase Ogbori Omoso, meaning he who carried a child on his head for survival. A reminder of the city's struggle, protection, and survival. From this legacy, the throne of the Soun was established. A throne rooted in strength, community defense, and wisdom. In the heart of Yoruba land stands a throne unlike any other. A throne of history. A throne of warriors. A throne of empire. This is the seat of the Alaafin of Oyo, one of the most influential monarchs in African history. A king not just of a people, but of an empire whose power once stretched across West Africa. Welcome to today's episode, where we uncover the legacy, culture, power, and mystery behind the Alaafin of Oyo. the legendary son of Odujuwa. He founded the ancient Oyo Empire around the 14th century. From this single beginning rose a dynasty that produced kings known as Kobiyisi, he who cannot be questioned. The Alaafin's palace is not just a political center, it is a spiritual world. Royal traditions include the Bembe drums, played only on special occasions. Igongon masquerades, symbol of ancestral power. The Daba, a majestic horse parade introduced through Oyo's ancient cavalry traditions. Royal wives, reliable respected figures with cultural roles. The princes and princesses, Omo Oba custodians of royal heritage. Every part of Oyo's cultural identity flows from the palace. The title, Akibio of Elora, is the royal throne of the ancient Elora kingdom in Afijio local government, Oyo State. The Akibio is more than a king, he is a cultural guardian, spiritual father of the community, symbol of unity, preserver of Elora's customs and identity. For generations, the Akibio has stood as the heart of Elora's governance, tradition, and history. The palace of the Akibio is a vibrant cultural center filled with daily activities. Highlights include the Ogon Festival, Igongon masquerades, traditional drumming and dance, visits from chiefs and community elders. Each event showcases the strength and beauty of Elora's tradition. The Olubadan of Ibadanland is the paramount ruler and spiritual father of Ibadan. The title literally means the Lord of Ibadan. He is the cultural leader of millions, the authentic custodian of Ibadan tradition, the unifying symbol of Oyo State's largest city. Ibadan people see their king not just as a ruler, but as a living link to their warrior ancestors. Unlike other Yoruba kingdoms, Ibadan has one of the most transparent and orderly succession systems in Africa, from warrior roots to urban greatness. From ancient traditions to modern leadership, the Olubadan of Ibadan remains one of the most revered crowns in Yoruba land. His story is the story of Ibadan itself, a city of resilience, heritage, and unstoppable strength. The Elora of Erowa is the paramount ruler of Erowa town in Iboropa North local government, Oyo State. He is the spiritual and cultural father of the people, the custodian of traditions and ancestral heritage, a unifying symbol of peace and order. For generations, the Elora has guided his people through leadership, culture, and community development. Erowa is an ancient Yoruba town with roots tracing back to the old Oyo Empire. The town was historically a settlement for farmers and hunters and grew into a peaceful and productive community over centuries. The Elora throne was established to provide governance, spiritual oversight, protection of the land, preservation of culture and history. This institution has remained central to Erowa's identity through colonial times, independence, and modern Nigeria. Erowa is rich in culture, and many festivals revolve around the Elora's guidance. Masquerade festivals, honoring ancestral spirits. Harvest celebrations, marking the end of planting seasons. Traditional warrior and hunter festivals, showcasing courage and skill. The Elora's presence at these events strengthens the town's unity and cultural pride. The Aseyin of Iseyin is the paramount ruler of Iseyin town. He is the spiritual father of the community, the custodian of Igongon traditions and festivals, a symbol of unity and cultural identity. A leader guiding the people in governance and development. The throne of Aseyin is deeply respected across Yoruba land, especially for its preservation of art, culture, and tradition. The Aseyin carries out crucial roles. 1. Cultural custodian. He preserves Iseyin's Egungun festivals, art, and textile traditions. 2. Peacekeeper. He mediates disputes within families, communities, and neighboring towns. 3. Community development. He collaborates with government and local organizations to improve education, infrastructure, and social welfare. The king of Agora is the paramount ruler of the town and its surrounding communities. He is the spiritual and cultural father of Agora, the custodian of customs, festivals, and ancestral heritage, a unifying figure guiding the people in governance, peace, and development. The throne of Agora has preserved history, culture, and leadership for generations, earning respect throughout Oyo State. Agora is rich in cultural heritage, with festivals guided by the king. Masquerade festivals, Egungun, honoring ancestors. Harvest festivals, celebrating agricultural bounty. Warrior and hunting festivals, showcasing bravery and skill. These festivals reinforce unity, preserve history, and showcase the town's unique traditions. The king of Agora stands as a guardian of tradition, a symbol of unity, and a guide for his people. From ancestral roots to modern leadership, his throne continues to protect and preserve the heritage of Agora for generations. Thank you for watching Mama Ondo TV. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more stories of kings, culture, and African heritage.